Well, here we go, guys. We're going to be doing the dragon form with the help of a lion dog, a Tibetan lion dog. So we're starting by opening and closing the dantian. You've done this in your training. So often through repeating certain exercises, you recognize them. Some of these, this is the beauty of Chi Life Academy. We take some forms and we break them down into individual movements. And so then when you come to do a form, it's a little bit more familiar to you. So here I'm spending time opening and closing the earth. Here we say the dragon is preparing for landing. And so by bringing the hands together, we're guiding the chi towards the front of the dantian, and then we're opening the dantian, making it broad and making it more open to storing more energy than it could ordinarily do. And during this preparation then, we're able to bring together and consolidate the energy, drawing my hands into a prayer position and then dropping them down in front of the body. Feet are together. Still in a Wu-Ji, but knees and feet together in this Wu-Ji posture. I sink, draw my hands up and bring them together, sinking from the center and drawing them up. In some cases, we'll actually shoot the hands up and clap them together. But for the purposes of this training, I want you to remain in control of your balance. Sinking, rising. Sinking, gathering, rising. And using the center to snap the chi up. Drawing chi up from the earth, drawing chi down from the heaven through the center vessel. Stepping back out, holding the prayer position. Dragon protects the cave, claws out. Palms facing away from the body in this posture. Deep breath into the dantian. Palms crossing over. For the ladies, left over right, and for the gents, right over left. Sitting down, closing, opening, breathing in, sitting down, breathing out. Standing up, breathing in, opening the claws, filling up the lungs with chi, metal element, sitting down. You've done this before, you remember it. Opening, closing. Opening, closing. Opening and closing. Opening the hands, fingers, and closing. Preparation, opening, breathing in, filling up the lungs, expelling, and then into a purging posture. You'll have done this one before, remember, guys? So there is a method to my madness. Backs of the palms facing each other, fingers pointing down to the earth, draining the large intestine, cleansing, purifying the lungs out through. Coming back now, feet together, back into the prayer position for dragon flying. Fire movement. Hands are thrown away from the body with the center leading, flicking, using expression of the fingers, center dropping and rising as the dragon flies. Now fire dragon flying, knees and toes together. We need to synchronize the movement so that we step out. What sometimes will happen is you'll make a mistake by lifting the same leg and same arm up as such. I'll demonstrate that for you in a moment. So we sometimes get caught up in the movement. I usually do 20, so this is where the danger happens, is people step up this way. What I want you to do is step up opposite arm, opposite leg. And this is dragon here. So see the movement, stepping out, and then I'm turning. extending. This is actually kind of a Dao Yin stretch, pushing, looking behind, flattening out the tail, looking down towards the earth. Sit back on your leg before you draw in and repeat, flying away. This is a fire movement, expressive, expansive. Step up. I'm going to repeat, step and looking and stretching. Making sure you're stretching those tendons. So there's that movement, I'm expressing it there. See the difference? Sit back, draw in and fly. That's center driving the movement, expressing with the fingers. Express. So you're making a clear metal boundary as well. Step up, step down, remaining in Wuji. Stretch. See how if I bring the hands up higher, it's more expressive. Sit back on the leg, then draw in before you move, and then you're flying again. And slow it down, bring the hands in, feel the center slowing down. When you're ready, step out, back into prayer position to finish. In maintaining a wide Wuji posture. This is just stage 1 of the form. So practice this stage, and then in the next module we move on and we'll see